So when Kimberley Walsh invited me down to her debut album and single video shoot,
yes,
I didn't think it'd be in a disused warehouse in the middle of London's East End.
I did. One day I'll fly away. So this is the video for the first single, which is One Day I'll Fly Away, from the film, the musical film Moulin Rouge. The video is going to be quite simple, very much about my performance and how I can kind of, get the emotion of the song over. And I'm going to do just a little bit of dancing.
A little bit of dancing.
With a little bit of help from a friend of mine.
So Pash is going to be here.
He is, yes. So we're reunited already, which is good. He's choreographing it all.
Really?
Yes, so I'm going to have to do as I'm told, yet again.
Even though it's your name above the door now.
I know, but he's the one that's got the skills.
So the album Centre Stage, why? And I don't need to ask. Is it because you like being centre stage?
Hey! No, it just kind of fit, you know, it really did. It's like, obviously it's a musical theatre album and it's me out there on my own for the first time, so I think that's very fitting title for this album.
Is that daunting?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, it is, because I've always had the girls beside me, and whether, you know, whether things have been good or bad, it's always been together. The girls have always known that I love musicals. It was no surprise to them, and they've been really supportive, throughout the whole thing.
Have you managed to see Justin at all?
Do you know what? The good thing about the whole thing is that I do go home to him every night, so although I miss, you know, seeing my family and friends, I have seen him every day at least.
What about settling down proper?
Proper?
Yeah.
What, you mean like serious stuff?
Yeah, serious.
Do you know what? I think it's something that, you know, we would love to do at some point, but I haven't really had the time.